Right, so we are on a mission Starbucks, and Ankush, the hopeless chauffeur that he is, with all the help from Google products, we still cannot trying to figure out where is Horniman Circle, and part of the problem इसका नाम है because taxi वाले इसको honeymoon circle बोलते हैं, कोई हनुमान circle बोलता है, कोई horny man circle बोलता है. That's me. So nobody really knows where Horniman Circle is, and we are in this very vintage area called
Central Bank of India.
It's called Ballard Estate.
So we are at Starbucks, and this is now the new pilgrimage in Mumbai. Siddhivinayak Mandir has full-on competition. People are standing in a line. There is no ghanti. You can buy nariyal and prasad and agarbatti, and you can go in Starbucks, and you can chadha dhoop. Why is there a queue? How long have you guys been standing in the queue? How long in the queue?
2 minutes.
10 minutes. Between here and there, 2 minutes? There's some major Starbucks loyalists who are saying 2 minutes. The status is updated already. Is it showing already?
Absolutely.
No, it was a bitch to get directions to come here because Google didn't show it.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. There's no place like Starbucks here on Horniman.
Horniman.
That's the name of this.
No way, dude. Roy. You know, Starbucks should start free home delivery to Malabar. There's no delivery in BMW. So how long you guys been standing here? 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yep, it's quite slow.
40 minutes. 30-40 minutes?
Yeah.
Just to go inside and have coffee? Why? What is it? I mean, what's the big deal?
It's Starbucks. It has to
I
be.
know that.
It's the best coffee.
No, explain that to me in
It just tastes different than maybe what would you have in CCD or maybe
What
in
is so
Coffee Bean.
different? What is so different?
Just the taste. You know what? Maybe it's not only the taste, it's just the whole brand name and everything.
How long have you been standing in the queue?
Yeah, 15 minutes.
आधा घंटा हो गया? क्या है इतना? I mean, what is so special? इतना आधा घंटा? Crazy about that. क्यों इतना crazy है?
I like the flavor, the taste.
टेस्ट पसंद है। लेकिन आधा पौना घंटा इसके लिए?
Yeah, I will.
2 घंटा भी खड़ी रहेगी इधर।
हाँ?
2 आवर भी वेट करेगी क्योंकि वो भाई के पास आती है तो उसको वही टेस्ट चाहिए।
कहाँ पे?
US. New
Cups or something?
Oh yeah, that's what they've given to everyone who's waiting in the line.
For real?
See?
So what is it? It's
It's
the double frappuccino.
double what? One?
chocolate chip frappuccino.
Is that one of the best things to have? Okay, so for someone who's never been to a Starbucks, what should I go inside and order?
Mocha frappuccino.
The iced mocha.
Got it, like
I've
you've
got it.
decided.
I have
You're gonna have a dozen glasses
Yes,
of that on your table.
totally.
Mocha frappuccino.
The iced mocha.
Iced mocha. That's full of ice.
Yeah, that's on the rocks and that's blended.
On the rocks and blended. You know the preparations.
I'm just gonna have a regular cafe mocha.
Regular cafe mocha. After waiting for half an hour. Regular cafe mocha.
I know. Starbucks. Regular is also to another level.
I'm not getting this.
loyalists.
I'm not getting
Talking
this.
to loyalists.
Awesome stuff. Thank you. Really in demand because they have a Starbucks coffee in their hand. My God. How long did you guys stand in the queue, yeah?
Pretty much 1.5 hours.
How much?
1.5 hours.
90 minutes
I think a Starbucks.
to get a coffee?
Worth it.
Why do you say that? No, I really want to know.
I guess it's just because of brand name Starbucks. Waited a long time for Starbucks to come to India.
What's the big deal? We obviously have so many coffee shops here, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, I've personally had Starbucks elsewhere, other countries, but and I loved it. So that's pretty much it. And then all the others have become run of the mill. So this is something
new.
Something new. You just want something new
The
in life,
store
right?
is designed very, very well. Indianized. It's not like a normal coffee shop. You expect.
तो मतलब अंदर जाके बोलते हैं नमस्ते Starbucks में आपका स्वागत है?
Not that way. You've got 2 wise Firangs there who talk to us, but
There are 2 Firangs there.
inside, yep.
So that's a big draw?
Not that. Actually, you know, I was.
Is it 2 chicks or 2 guys?
Guys.
Yeah, that's a bummer.
Yeah, seriously. Drew her.
Did it? Was it worth the 1.5 hour wait?
I spoke about the store. The store's the layout of the store, the way they've selected the props and the whole Indianization of it. It's brilliant.
Yes.
You know,
Nice concept.
No
You know,
Indian
outside
coffee shop being in India would do that, and it's a brand.
Like what? One thing. Tell me one
You've got
thing.
those elephant chairs. You've got
Elephant
those,
chairs?
Yeah, you've got those sandook which you normally find in your old Havelis, and those दूध वाला कप क्या कहते हैं उसको?
the दूध I don't know those.
वो जो जार होता है एल्यूमिनियम वाला
Yes, yes.
है उसमें कॉफी बेच रहे हैं अच्छा शो के लिए रखा है एम्बियंस के लिए
It's just for the ambience. The thing is that the ambience they've created here, they've actually made a sort of luxurious coffee place, not like a normal cafe
Where
coffee
you could
day.
just pick up a coffee and
Yeah, it's not about picking up a coffee thing. You just
बट हाउ मच डिड दिस कॉस्ट कितने 200 रुपए का ग्लास है बिल भी नहीं देखा होगा ना आपने तो सर
मैंने नहीं देखा इन्होंने पे किया
इन्होंने पे किया है
इन्होंने pay
कितने का है कॉफी कितने की
that's
है
200. This is 150 or something.
व्हाट्स इट
worth it, yes.
Huh?
I didn't want to stand in this long line, but she wanted me to, and I think it's still worth it.
इट्स वर्थ इट
Worth it, yes.
ऑलराइट ऑसम यार
Good company.
थैंक यू सो मच So how long have you guys been waiting there to get in?
We just came. Like,
You just came.
Yeah.
और अभी लाइन देख के अंदर जाने का मन कर रहा है? क्यों? Starbucks है।
Monday, look at the line. Office. I mean, we can't wait so much.
लोग डेढ़ घंटे से खड़े हैं।
It's okay. We'll come next time. It's okay. We'll come on Monday.
But Starbucks. आप लोग बोल नहीं पाओगे वीकेंड पे फेसबुक पे अपडेट नहीं कर पाएंगे कि Starbucks जाके आए?
Still do it. We'll fake it out.
Oh, you still fake it. Thank you so much. Right, so it's going to be very difficult अगर आप Starbucks आना चाहते हैं for your first ever visit of the oh my god, it's Starbucks coffee. So Flora Fountain, take the first left, okay? Don't ask anybody for directions because the cabbies cannot pronounce Honeymoon Circle. Honeymoon Circle बन जाएगा, Hanuman Circle बन जाएगा. So first left, Flora Fountain से go to the end of the road, take another left. This is massive circle. You'll see a lot of vintage buildings, nice brick stone architecture and all. Come from there and you will see a Chroma. This fancy building called Elphinstone Building. I don't know what that's doing in town and why is it not in Elphinstone. But right next to that is Starbucks coffee, which frankly, I mean, I don't care. I'm not going to stand in the queue over there for 2 hours just to get one cup of coffee. I'm heading to Cafe Mysore to get my amazing fix of filter coffee. That's it, over and out.